Hi friends. I'm very excited because I'm gonna motor vlog today, and this is gonna be my first vlog, and that's my bike. Uh, I did a little jugaad to my camera, so I'm using a Git 2 camera. Okay, chalo. By the way, he was my brother. He's gonna accompany me today for the vlog. Alright, ready to race. Yeah. So as I was saying, it's gonna be my first vlog and I'm super excited. I'm going to Kala Ghoda festival. It was not a planned journey, but then all my friends, they're supposed to meet me at Kala Ghoda. It's 5 o'clock right now. We were supposed to meet at 2 o'clock, but then I was a little late because I have a GoPro Hero 5, but then I didn't have the adapter. I'm searching for it since like 2 weeks, but it is not available in India and Dubai. So it's gonna take a little time to get it delivered to India from US. So yesterday itself I got my secondary camera, that's Git up. I'm just testing the quality of the camera. So I just thought why not make a vlog out of it. And Kala Ghoda, well guys, it's a place in it's at South Mumbai, part of South Mumbai. It's near Fort. And there you can see Black Horse, that is Kala Ghoda. It's just a newly made statue. The place is very old, but they've just put up a new statue of a very huge black color horse, and this festival happens every year on the start, in the January month. Oh bhai, watch out. Yeah, so what jugaad that I did today is I had a housing case of waterproof housing case of Git 2, but then again I couldn't connect the mic to it, so I've connected my mic to GoPro Hero 5 house. Yeah, so this case was a little big for the camera, but then me and my brother did a little jugaad. What we did was did a paper newspaper support to the housing. I am not sure whether the camera is still, yes it is recording. So just to get used to it, I'm gonna see my rear mirror again and again to check whether it's recording or not. Whoa, cycles. I think I should vlog on my cycle which I just bought it. It's a Firefox 26 gear one. So Kala Ghoda is like around 10 minutes away from my place, but it's 5 o'clock. We might get a little traffic. Well, this place is called as Badwar Park. People staying in Mumbai or in India knows this place very well, Badwar Park, because this was the place wherein Kasab had entered. If you don't know who was Kasab was a terrorist. He had a major terrorist attack in the month of November 26/11, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so this is the place from where he had entered. So they took a boat from somewhere and they just entered. Okay, let's speed up a little bit. It's 5 o'clock and I want to finish my vlog till 6. Yeah, we'll take a ride from here. I've got a very good company. मेरे भाई की company today. Well, we fight a lot, but then whenever I'm in need, he's always there for me. Yeah, so he's the right person. wanted to mount my GoPro somewhere here on the handle, but again the mounts of Hero 5 is not easily available, and I'm looking for an authorized dealer in Mumbai. If anybody knows or has a contact number of authorized dealer, please do share it. You guys can personal message me on Facebook. So we've reached Regal. Yes. Let's speed up. So that's my cathedral. Welcome. It's gonna be very difficult now to search for a parking place. And by the way guys, today is the last day of Kala Ghoda festival, so I didn't really want to miss out on this opportunity. I think I should go. Yes, so again, it gets a little difficult to ride a KTM with these knuckle guards because cut karne nahi milta hai. Many of my friends suggested me to remove the knuckle guard, but then I'm a little bit stubborn. I don't want to miss on the looks of my bike. It gives an add-on look, see. Parking का करेंगे? Parking is gonna be a trouble. Parking is gonna be a trouble. Let's go. Pachi. Mumbai, Mary Jaan. So there are two ways to go to Kala Ghoda, either from the right side or either from the left side. So we're gonna take the left side because it's more convenient for me to go and park. That's the main. This is the main. So Kala Ghoda festival, it ends here. See if I get time, I'll show you guys street shopping of Kala Ghoda. Whoa, oh. Always be careful of the BEST drivers because they are insane and they hate riders. Yeah. See, this is Kala Ghoda festival. It has all started. It's the last day. It feels really good, you know, to see people gathering around here. Bunch of group. And just to enter this, we're gonna get a long queue. बहुत बड़ी line है, boss. What we'll do is we have to go inside, but there are barricades out there. What to do? We'll have to take a full U-turn and go. नहीं, यहाँ से जाने के लिए जगह था, इधर से जाने के लिए. वहाँ पे parking? ठीक है, चलो. Let's see. My brother says he's got a parking out there. Alright, boss, I think we can still enter. What if you want to go there? Hey, bye, let's go. अपने को अंदर जाने का है और वो साइड जाना है. हाँ भैया, उधर जा सकते हैं अंदर जाना है. कार्टस ब्लू जाने का है. घूम के जाना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक माय ब्रदर सॉ पार्किंग आउट हियर. तूने इधर ही पार्किंग देखा ना? Oh. Hi. April. Okay. PN Park is the safest parking that I can get right now, so I don't mind paying for a safe parking. Wow, he's making a parking place for me. लगा दो यहाँ पर. भाई थोड़ा पीछे धक्का मारना पड़ेगा देखो. खींचो मेरे भाई. Yo, yeah, we gotta take parking. We've reached Kala Ghoda finally, and let's find for a place wherein where we can enter. So let's go a little fast. We have to search for a queue. It's gonna be a long wait, around 15 minutes ka line. Well, you guys can see all these posters out here. Yeah. So this is Kala Ghoda Festival, sponsored by Hindustan Times. So what you can see inside is all the creativity of art students, of BMM students. Yeah, very creative stuffs. I mean, last time when I had been to Kala Ghoda Festival, I saw this very beautiful piece of art. Bhai is a little busy. I know it's a little funny wearing a helmet and walking on the streets. Yeah, once I get through, I'll remove my helmet. Yeah, so I have to get used to all this. Can I just switch my camera to GoPro? Yeah. It's a long queue. So this is from where the line starts. Okay. This is where the line starts. Let's follow the ground. So I'm giving out my mic. Yup, so we finally reached here, but
जेंट्स की लाइन भागो आगे, लेडीज पीछे जाओ.
Tata's Blue जाना है. Yeah, so what Chia told me that ladies का line अलग है and gents का line अलग है, and what I told her was we have to go to Carter's Blue. Well, there's a place out here wherein me and my friends, we just hang out. Yeah. Chal, bye. I'll show you a shortcut. Okay, guys, I'm switching this off because I don't want you all to know the shortcut. I'll switch on my camera again when I cross the security line. Bye. It's crowded. Okay, check out this. I mean, people have no work. They are clicking out selfies anywhere and everywhere. Oh, that's a hot bomb. Easy like that. ये ऐसे किधर फोटो निकाल रहे थे? काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल छोड़ के लोग ये कौन से कोने में आके फोटो निकाल रहे हैं? ओके,
नया है वो.
नया है वो.
Resimler geliyor. Bunlar niye bunlar? Excuse me, why are they carrying this?
Even I got no idea about this. I think they are showing a part of India.
हाँ. सारा तका रखना, वही रखना.
Poor India.
Sorry?
Poor India.
My friend, War India. Hey.
Is this Dharavi's photo? धारावी का फोटो है ये? पूरा धारावी का है? I think so. पूरा मुंबई बताया है. So they are showing a part of Mumbai, right? Oh, there. Right to city.
Right to city. Who is city? Who is right?
Who city? Who's right? is a part of Mumbai that these guys are showing. The hidden part of Mumbai. Which really inspires me. Can you show me this picture, please?
1 second, 1 second.
Thank you. That's the main gate. Spaces Kala Ghoda Street Festival. And you can see the crowd. I think thousands of people have just entered. And it's being the last day of Kala Ghoda festival, it's very crowded. Yeah, so that's the Kala Ghoda newly made statue which I was talking about. So I think that's the skeleton of Kala Ghoda, skeleton in red color. So the skeleton of Kala Ghoda is wearing a AGV helmet. Yeah, a little funny. So again, that's a horse that they've made of charcoal. Why charcoal? It's because just to show that it's a black horse. Let me just go a little closer. So that's the mouth, that's the ear, it's wide open, and that's the leg that you can see. Okay guys, we have a volunteer Vaishali out here who would be telling us a small description about the street. As far as I know, it's a wishing tree. Let's hear it from Vaishali. Alright Vaishali, what is this exactly?
This is a wishing tree which is sponsored by the Bajaj Electric Company.
Okay.
You need to share your ideas on energy conservation, how can you save electricity or the natural resources.
Okay.
It is a type of a contest, so the best wish would get a prize and it would also be implemented next year in the country.
Wow, that's great. Thank you Vaishali. Thank you so much for the description. Alright guys, I'll show you the wishing tree out here. So, it's a kind of a contest wherein the best wish would get selected and the wish would be fulfilled. Also, it would be showcased in the next Kala Ghoda festival. So if you have any wish for a clean and green Mumbai, you guys can come here and make a wish. Custom handmade furnitures. And he's the man behind this. As it's Kala Ghoda festival, I can see many horses out here, and this horse symbolizes flying horse. So that's the visual theme of the year, which is speed of light. So this is showing that the horse is flying. Wow, a great concept. Oh, what is this? Let me capture this. So people of all age group can enjoy in this festival. Let's check what is this. Okay, I don't have much time to explain about all this because I'm running late and it's almost 6 o'clock. This is a very beautiful masterpiece of a horse which symbolizes love and passion. It's the Dark Horse Festival. A very unique thing that I can see out here, that's you guys can take head, shoulder and foot massage from the students of Victoria Memorial School, and that's a school for the blind. So students, you can see here, they all are blind. And these guys are taking a foot massage. So for 10 minutes you have to pay like around 50 rupees. And yes, there is a queue to take massage. And this is so relaxing. Wow. So they have a proper procedure for giving a massage.
And they are too good.
They're too good at it?
They are doing this like 2 hours now and they are not tired. And they don't get tired. They have got every individual the way they want to. The energy is the same every time we sit, and it's outstanding.
Whoa, so the job that these guys are doing is just awesome. I mean, even I want to get a massage, but I don't have time. So let's rush. Check what is that.
This is basically Rangoli pattern. When you stand at the point behind there,
Okay.
your image is being converted into that design.
Oh, so we can see ourselves.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, that's great.
And that's live.
And that's live. So I don't mind trying that. I think we should try it. But there's a queue, so we'll come back later. So that's one more horse at Kalagoda. It's a very cute baby who's riding the horse. So that's a Chotu Kala Ghoda and Daddy Kala Ghoda is out there. So I want to sit on this ghoda. What is this? It's a rocking horse. So these guys have showed 2020 Mumbai. That's the coastal freeway which is gonna come up. Vision Mumbai 2010. And the best part about this view is that they have made all this out of cake. It's from Monjini's. That's Pandravali Sling. That's my favorite bridge. It goes directly to Metro 6. And yeah, that's Shivaji Maharaj statue which is gonna come up.
With a new like what we can say, a new concept like a 3D cake and a motion cake and a live cake.
We are done with the Kalagoda festival and I'm very tired. It was very crowded. Yeah, so fuck, I've never seen so much of gardi. Let me go, let me go, let me go. This time I didn't find it that creative stuff in Kalagoda. I mean the art. Previous year and previous year, wow, it was amazing. It's always fun to visit Kalagoda festival because you find a lot of creativity. You get to see a lot of creativity work by our art students. And I'm super hungry. I didn't have my lunch. I was behind my camera. Watch out! I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna eat. Not eat, I'm gonna just hop. With this Kalagoda festival, I saw a lot of horses. I mean, I saw just horses. Big horse, small horse, green color horse, flying horse, passion horse. And then there was this half black horse. And yes, a bada horse. Actually, when I wanted a foot massage, my leg hurts. You know, when you see things and you find it really easy. I was supposed to motovlog since like past 1 year, my last birthday. But then I didn't have proper gadgets. So yes, I saved a lot of money and then I brought my suit, mesh, Alpine Star, then I brought a Denny's, then I wrapped my bike, then I brought a AGV helmet, and finally I was satisfied with my bike modification and my gears. Then I brought a SJ cam. No, I was supposed to go for Hero 5, but then it was taking too long. So for a temporary vlogs, I took a SJ cam, but then I realized that SJ cam doesn't support mic. Then I was in a loss. Then in a week I got my GoPro Hero 5, but again the issue was I didn't get the adapter, so again I had to wait. Again sold off my SJ cam and bought Kit 2. It's a good camera. I'll have to check the quality. Once I edit the video, I'll get to know how the camera works. Hi, log. Super hungry. I feel like having a McDonald's ka Maharaja Mac meal, a large one, yeah, with piri piri fries, extra cheese. I'm super hungry. Yes. Get side. Bachu. Auntie. हट जा. रुक जा. ओ दिल दीवाने. Again, because of knuckle guards, I'm just trying to cross. More 9 seconds to go for the signal. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready to race. Let's go. When you are very hungry and you're running late and you have to go to a place, what you do is right. Alright guys, if you really liked my video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because yes, it's my first video, but I'll be vlogging many videos. I'll be making a lot of more vlogs. I'll be recording all my journey on my 2 wheels. So do support. Taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. Whoa, is the Kawasaki Z800 following us, or it's B who's following him? Okay, let's say goodbye.